Casino psychology, how they trick you into losing at Baccarat. The odds aren't your only enemy at the Baccarat table. Your brain and the casino itself are being manipulated every second you're inside. Let me show you how casinos use psychology to make you lose, and what you can do to fight back. Casinos use warm, dim lighting to disarm your senses. It creates a timeless, relaxed atmosphere that encourages you to stay longer and bet more. That cozy glow? It's designed to slow your perception of time and reduce inhibition. Background music in casinos is no accident. Upbeat tempos subtly increase your betting speed, while chimes and sound effects reward even minor wins, fooling your brain into thinking you're winning more often than you are. Dealers are trained not just to deal cards, but to guide your behavior. Friendly smiles, conversational cues, and phrases like "banker's been hot" nudge you into patterns, often ones that benefit the house. Chips aren't just currency, they're psychological camouflage. Spending chips doesn't feel like losing real money. And the layout? It subtly funnels you into fast-paced decision-making without clear pause for strategy. So how do you protect yourself? Step 1. Set a timer. Casinos don't want you watching the clock, so you must. Step 2. Take regular breaks. Fresh air resets your mental state. And Step 3. Preset your bankroll. When it's gone, you leave. No exceptions. Baccarat is a game of odds and observation, but casinos are betting you'll be too distracted to notice. Stay sharp, stay strategic, and always remember, the house plays the long game.